So today guys, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing one of these officially licensed Suzuki 4x4 trucks. This is WPL's new model, the D14 4x4. So let's get into it and start unboxing this guys so we can get a deeper look. And in this section we got ourselves our controller and accessory packs including chargers. Everything is well packaged and is safely posted. This truck looks amazing. So far you cannot tell any difference between the D12 and the D14 chassis, but let's get a look underneath. Now there is more ground clearance at the front, and now it's a fully functional four-wheel drive system. It comes with a locked rear axle and an open diff at the front. So now let's crack this box open and see what other goodies we get. The controller feels great quality and it's a perfect size for one-handed driving. It also comes with your instruction manual in English, and it also comes with an accessory pack. The controller comes with trim rate, steering rate, throttle rate. And now this is what you get in the bag. We get all the accessory parts for the body, and also we get a charger and some spare parts. Under the spare wheel is where we can find our battery pack. The battery is an 800 mAh 7.4 volt. The controller requires two AA batteries. So here I'm going to show the steering rate. That is absolutely perfect for drifting. You just click this little button here. So now I'm going to show the throttle rate for medium to high speed. And also the steering and throttle is fully proportional. I hope you find this unboxing video interesting, and if you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe by hitting the button below.